We're making sandwiches again, oh yeah, 'cause sandwiches are yummy. In my tummy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy, Jabril. And today, with the holidays coming up and eating a bunch of food and then not eating a bunch of food, we're gonna utilize leftovers, aka, in this case, leftover turkey. So I got some leftover smoked turkey, and we're gonna make kind of a spicy BLT sandwich, turkey BLT sandwich. But anyway, before we get too far ahead, if you're new, make sure you hit that sub button for me and notification button for me. Share this with your friends and family, and enjoy the video. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to bake my bacon. Yeah, right, bake, yeah, that's the right way to say it. Reason I want to do that is because that's going to take the longest, and I always like baking my bacon because it turns out nicer. It's a nice even product finished product, I guess. It gives you more bacon, I guess. It doesn't shrink, and it's less mess to clean up because you have it lined with foil, and then you just throw the foil away when you're done. Okay, and all I'm gonna do is just line this on my pan, and then I do 350 for at least a half an hour, and then you can kind of go from there. Just kind of keep an eye on it those last 5 minutes, depending on how your oven works, because sometimes there's hot spots in certain ovens, and so you don't want to burn half of your bacon and then undercook the other half. So I do about half an hour. That usually works perfectly. Sometimes 35 minutes, depending on the oven, but 350 for 30 minutes. All right, so our bacon is done. So now we're going to make kind of a sriracha mayo aioli to go on top. All right, so I got some mayo. We're gonna do probably about a quarter cup for this because we don't need a whole lot. Okay, and then we're gonna do, probably start with 2 tablespoons since we're doing only a quarter cup. Do about 2 tablespoons, possibly a quarter cup, depending on how spicy you want it, but start with 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Okay, then we're gonna add about a half teaspoon of lemon juice, and then we're gonna add about a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, then give that a good mix. That's kind of nice. All right, so set that off to the side, and then let's heat up our turkey. We'll slice our tomatoes, melt our cheese on top of our turkey, and tear up some lettuce and make a sandwich. All right, and then for this turkey, I just got a nice leftover piece of turkey breast, nice big piece. And I'm just gonna slice it somewhat thin, not horribly thin because I don't have a deli slicer, but thin enough that this will cook fast. And yeah, and then I got my skillet here, and all I'm gonna do is throw it in here with a little bit of water, steam it 2-3 minutes till it gets nice and hot, and then we'll be able to assemble our sandwich. All right, so our turkey is nice and hot. I have our sauce, our bacon, I got lettuce, some sliced tomato, and then I got some baby Swiss cheese because I love baby Swiss cheese. And that is the sound of our bread. Let's make a sandwich. And the nice thing is, by steaming this, usually leftover turkey is very dry, so it adds a little bit of moisture to your turkey, so it makes it quite nice. But then we're gonna add our Swiss cheese, and I'm just gonna do 1 piece because I'm that guy. Okay, and then next we're gonna add our bacon. I got 2 pieces right here with my name on it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go tomatoes next. And then I always like to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. About the only way I eat tomatoes. And I know what you're thinking, Gabe, you've been doing so well at doing all these health videos and everything else. Why are you adding bacon to this? Well, you know what? You're allowed to live a little bit. And it's not like I'm eating an entire pack of bacon. It's 2 pieces of bacon. 2. In fact, in this pack, it's like 50 calories for 2 pieces of bacon. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's all right. Okay, then we're gonna add a couple pieces of lettuce. Got some nice ends here. Okay, and then we're gonna sauce our top piece of bread. Okay, and there you have a nice spicy turkey BLT. Let's try this out. Cheers. It's definitely a nice hearty sandwich. The turkey's not dry at all because, again, that water helps steam it and give it that moisture. And the spicy sriracha mayo, And other than that, It's just a good hearty BLT. And like I said, it's a nice way to use up leftovers, especially leftover turkey, because everybody eats leftover stuffing. Everybody eats leftover sweet potatoes. Like, that stuff tastes good, leftover, but leftover turkey is hard to do. Leftover turkey is a hard thing to want to eat, especially when you know it's just gonna be dry and sucky. So this is a good opportunity to revive the need for leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. Well, guys, there you have it, a leftover turkey idea, a spicy turkey BLT. Again, if you guys like this video and you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button for me. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.